Hello, my name is Ken Harrison, and I'm the President and CEO here at G&B Corporation. Today I want to talk about one of the things that makes G&B different, and that is our passion for on-time delivery. We understand and we realize how important it is to our customers that we deliver on time. And it's a difficult challenge because what we do here at G&B is often custom. It has never been done before. It has never been engineered before. It has never been manufactured before. And how can we choose a delivery date when we haven't had any experience in the past on how to do that? And I want to talk a little bit about how we manage all the details of doing that. Some of our competitors will not give you a delivery date until you actually give them the purchase order. You give them the purchase order, they put it into their computer system, they see where this lines up in their production schedule, and then they give you a delivery date. The problem with that is you do not want to give them a purchase order until you know if they can deliver on time. So once you get it into their hands, it's too late. You're saying, oh, wow, I can't live with that delivery date, but then what do you do? So here at G&B Corporation, we are highly committed to making on-time deliveries. And it's not easy, and we're not perfect at it, but every day, all of us spend a significant amount of our time working to try to figure out how we can best make our deliveries for our customers. When you're trying to make an on-time delivery, it's the details that really matter. It's those tiny, small little details that really make a difference of whether you can deliver on time. And what I want to show you today is our tooling system, our automated tooling system that makes sure that we have the item in that we need as a consumable. This means cutting tools, it means inserts, it means welding wire, it's all of those tiny little details, but if you're missing one item, you cannot deliver on time. Even a pair of welding gloves can cause you to miss a delivery time. So therefore, we have to manage all of those little tiny details very carefully. Here at G&B, we have invested in a tooling system that tracks all of our tooling and consumables. That way we know we have the right item in stock at the time that it's needed and it's available so that we can better meet those on-time deliveries. I want to show you a little bit of our tooling system and just give you a quick overview of it. To check into our tooling system, each employee has a badge. You take a scanner, you scan the badge, and it unlocks the tooling system for you so that you have access to the tools that you need. Next, you can simply search for whatever it is that you're looking for. The great advantage to this is you know where it is located and you know how many that we have. In the past, we had employees that were out searching, looking, where is that item that I need to complete my job? I know we should have one somewhere, where is it? Where is it stored? Here, you can go right on the computer system. Right now, I will just type in EMC, it's abbreviation for in-mill carbide, and 1/2 inch. Automatically, the tooling system now brings up all that 1/2 inch in mills made out of carbide that we have here at the company. And you can look through, you can select one, and you can check it out, and then you can use it for the job that you're working on. Now I want to show you a different location here in our shop. This computer terminal is set up for the detailing and welding supplies. So for example, if I want a roll of tape, I can log into the system, and once I log into the system, I can search for the roll of tape that I want. Tape is important for masking, it's for bead blasting and other detailing operations. So I've selected the roll of tape that I want, I put it in the cart, and now I hit next. It asks me for the job number, and then I can check out. It unlocks the cabinet and it tells me where the location is that I can find the roll of tape. So now that I have the roll of tape, the system automatically knows that I've pulled the roll of tape, and it will reorder this tape so that it's available for the next person. It's all automatic, and it's quick, and it's efficient. This is just one example of all of the many, many steps we are taking here at G&B to ensure that your product ships on time. There's a lot of details that have to happen, and it's very important that we're not missing anything. So we go to great lengths to ensure that we are well supplied and have everything that is necessary. For all of your vacuum equipment needs, we ask that you consider G&B. Please contact us if you need anything, and we'd be happy to help.